So it seems that you have a new employee and you need to manually assign them a work schedule. No problem. From the Cardinal homepage, you first need to navigate to the Assign Work Schedule page. Start by clicking the navbar icon, which looks like a small diamond, up in the top right corner of the page. Then, click the navigator icon. Here, you will see the various functional areas available to you. Please note that these are based on your security access and will vary by individual user. Continue by clicking the Manager Self-Service list item. Next, click the Time Management list item. Not there yet. Now click the Manage Schedules list item, and finally, click the Assign Work Schedules list item. And here we are, the Assign Work Schedules search page. Now, simply search for the applicable employee using any of the search criteria fields. In this case, we know the employee's employee ID, and we'll use that to perform the search. Once the search criteria is entered, click the Search button. If only one employee matches the criteria entered, the Assign Work Schedule page displays for the employee. Remember, this is a new employee, and therefore they do not currently have a work schedule assigned to them. If you are doing an update to a current employee schedule, the only difference to what I'm showing you here is that there would be at least one work schedule displaying for the employee, and you would start this process by clicking the Add a New Row icon. Since this is a new employee, we don't need to add a new row, and we will just start populating the default row provided. First, select the effective date for the work schedule using the calendar icon. The assignment method defaults to Use Default Schedule. This selection is never used. Additionally, the Create Personal Schedule option is never used. Always click the drop-down button and choose the Select Predefined Schedule. Failure to make the correct selection for the assignment method will result in the employee having an invalid work schedule. And you guessed it, invalid equals no bueno. Now for the schedule group. Click the Schedule Group lookup icon. Once the Lookup Schedule Group pop-up page displays, select the applicable schedule group by clicking the corresponding link. Either select the schedule group based on your agency, or select the statewide schedule groups at the bottom of the search results. Please note that the variable work schedule ID is only available after selecting your agency's schedule group. Now that the schedule group is selected, click the Schedule ID lookup icon. The Lookup Schedule ID pop-up page displays, and here you must select the applicable work schedule for the employee by clicking the corresponding link. There are literally hundreds of work schedules, so make sure to select the right one. This employee is going to work 5 8-hour days with 2 consecutive days off each week. For this particular work schedule, a rotation ID field displays because you need to define which 2 consecutive days the employee will be off each week. Click the Rotation ID drop-down button as needed and make the applicable selection. This employee will be off on Sunday and Monday each week. All of the data entry is complete, and this next part is optional, but it never hurts to double-check by clicking the Show Schedule link. The schedule calendar pop-up displays, and you can review the schedule information. If everything looks good, scroll down and click the OK button. Finish this process by clicking the Save button. And that's it! You have manually assigned a work schedule to an employee. Don't worry, it took me a lot longer to talk about it than it's going to take you to do it once you get the hang of it.